Hey, how's it going, folks? So, Mark here. I I brought everything up. Brought the screws. I use these metric screws. You get those at Harbor Freight or whatever. And but I've misplaced the Airmaster Relite screws at the moment, and I put the two blades in, and then went to put in the third. I put all the screws in the holes, and now I can't get the screws out of the holes. So I have a magnetic screwdriver, so messed up on that one. I was trying to save trips up and down the ladder because I'm not particularly good on ladders, but I have vertigo and I'm just really severely off balance. But well, so be it. Come on, screwdriver, you're supposed to be magnetic. This blender is pretty good at holding stuff, so. I don't want to trust it with the screwdriver though, I'll just pick that up later. Oh, nice bounce to it. Okay, blender makes a lovely table. Okay, this is a little tricky to get get the ladder out from the blade, but I'll manage. I'm trouble seeing because this top rung of the ladder is like directly in my way. Alrighty, that fan should be all set and ready to rock and or roll. She's going to plug the Crompton Reeves back in. Stay. Ladder or anything, and go. Down. Beautiful. Right. Drill. Turn it around so I don't inadvertently fall and impale myself. Okay. Oh, come on, no, leave the cord alone, you bugger. Yep. Okay, guess I'll give the Airmaster a whirl. Find the gosh darn remote. There we go. Alright, I'm going to try this out. Okay, so that's one. Let's try two. And three. All right, this could work. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.